The last thing I want to do is go on an auction website and buy a car right now. I would much rather buy off private sellers. The cars are just much nicer. You got to keep in mind, these folks are prepping these vehicles to sell to a retail consumer. But these cars have already had a lot of the reconditioning stuff done that we would do ourselves. And so it's like you're buying a frontline vehicle when you're purchasing a car from a private seller.
I've been steadily doing somewhere between 25 and 35 cars every single month. We've had a lot of nice vehicles come through here, a lot of stuff that we don't have to put a lot of money into, and just to put it out on a lot is just amazing. I send thousands and thousands of text messages every single day through this system. It's nice to be able to see all the listings that are out there, whether it's through Facebook or whether it's through AutoTrader or anything. They're all right there for you, and you can just click on them and say, okay, I want to talk to this guy, I want to talk to this guy, I want to talk to this guy. And
the thing I love about VetX is it really made it a lot more efficient buying vehicles off the street.